Today I'm going to check out UltraMobile Prepaid Wireless. Hey guys, today I'm going to take a look at UltraMobile. This isn't going to be a full review. I'm just going to check out ultramobile.com, take a look at the plans and features, see what this is about, see if there's anything interesting here. Now, warning up front, this is going to be a long video because there's a lot of information here and some of it is not that clear. So you've been warned. All right, now the first thing you see, $49 unlimited 4G LTE, unlimited to 60 plus destinations, includes India, Dominican Republic, China, and more. Now below that, they have a list of 3 plans and we'll come back and take a look at that in a second. The ultimate international provider, unlimited calling to over 60 destinations, international direct dial from any phone, call me free from 45 destinations. Looks to me like UltraMobile is trying to set themselves up as the prepaid wireless carrier with very good support for international calling. Now we'll take a look at the 60 plus destinations when we look at the plans, but I want to point out they have international direct dial from any phone. Now this means you can call the international numbers directly. You don't have to dial an access number and then put in the international number like you need to do with some other prepaid wireless services. And then they have this call me free from 45 destinations. This is a pretty cool feature, so let's check that out right now. All right, now the way this works is they have these UltraMobile numbers worldwide. These are local calls for people in international countries. So your family and friends, they can dial these local numbers, then they put in your UltraMobile number, and they can call you at any time, and they don't have to pay for the international call. It's a free international call for them. Now, these are local numbers in these countries, so if they can call the local numbers for free, then it's a free call for them. Otherwise, they have to pay for the local call, but not the international call. And you'll see here they have a table of the call me free numbers, and it's sorted by country and city, so you can check to see if they have a number in the cities that you're interested in. Below that, they have an FAQ, frequently asked questions. So if you want to know more about the call me free, you can check out the questions and answers here. All right, going back to ultramobile.com, unlimited international talk, unlimited nationwide talk, unlimited global text, 4G LTE data. Now you can buy a phone directly from them. They have the iPhone and Android models, or you can bring your own. So they support bring your own phone or bring your own device, BYOP or BYOD. Be part of the fastest 4G LTE and voice network in America. UltraMobile is powered by the T-Mobile network. Now they don't say that here directly, but it is the T-Mobile network. And you can click the button to see the coverage map if you're interested. Premium quality at the lowest price, no contract, no hidden fees, first-class customer care, easy-to-use customer portal. Then they have some customer testimonials, but I wanted to point out, it says now with 2 convenient ways to shop. So you can buy plans online and sign up online, or you can find a retailer near you that will help you set it up. So if you're not comfortable setting up a phone yourself, check it out and see if you can find a retailer that could help you. That's a pretty good feature. Now let's go back up top and check out those plans. Now they have 3 plans listed here. 2 of the features are the same across all 3 plans. That's the unlimited talk to USA and 60 plus destinations and the unlimited domestic and global text. The only difference in the plans is the amount of data included. Now the $19 plan comes with 100 megabytes of 4G data. Doesn't say 4G LTE data, so we definitely want to find out what that's about. The $29 plan says unlimited data, but it has 4 gigabytes of high-speed data. So 2 questions here. What is high-speed data? And if it has 4 gigabytes of data, why is this an unlimited data plan? $49 plan comes with unlimited 4G LTE data. So that's clear. We know what 4G LTE data is. There's no asterisks or no footnotes here. So we want to find out, is this truly unlimited data? All right, now let's take a look at the plans. But one of the things that's a little confusing is that they have a variety of different plans. So I guess that's good. You can find a plan you like, but they have monthly plans, ultra flex plans, online exclusive multi-month plans, and then they have add-ons. All right, let's start with the monthly plans. Now they have 4 plans listed here, a $19 best value plan, a $29 most popular plan, a $39 extreme value plan, and a $49 biggest and best. Now the first thing that's confusing to me is the $19 plan is called the best value here, but on ultramobile.com that was listed as the most popular plan. On the monthly plans, they say the $29 plan is the most popular plan. So what the heck is that about? Now, all these plans share 3 features: unlimited talk to 60 plus international destinations, $1.25 call anywhere credit, $5 rollover roaming credit. Now, it's pretty clear what unlimited talk to 60 plus international destinations is, but they don't explain what the 25 call anywhere credit is. So I'm guessing if you call other countries that are not included in the 60 plus international destinations, you have some credit for calls to those locations. And then the $5 rollover roaming credit, what is that? Does that mean I can use my service when I'm in another country? Again, no explanation of what this is. All right, now looking at the $29 most popular plan, 4 gigabytes of high-speed data. Again, no explanation of what high-speed data is. $39 plan, 6 gigabytes of high-speed data. Again, no explanation. And $49 plan, unlimited 4G LTE data. But you'll see there's an asterisk next to that, just like there is with the $19 plan for the 100 megabytes of 4G LTE data, asterisk. But there's no explanation of what that asterisk means. There's no footnotes here on the page. Below the plans, you'll see unlimited international talk destinations. So here's a list of all the countries you can call. Now, the thing you need to understand is you can call landlines or landlines and mobile lines. And you'll see here in this table, it says M, mobile included. So they tell you which countries you can call landlines and mobile lines. So if you're interested in international calling, understand, do you want to call landlines and mobile lines? And then make sure that whichever lines you want to call are supported in the country that you're interested in. So for example, here you'll see that you can call landlines and mobile lines in China and Colombia, but not in Australia or Argentina. Now, the other thing to point out here is they have this asterisk here. It says excludes rural. And it looks like for a couple of countries in South America, Peru and Chile, you cannot call rural number. So again, make sure the numbers in those countries you want to call are supported by the plan if you're interested in this. All right, moving along, let's go back and take a look at Shop again. Now they have something called UltraFlex, and this appears to be a different set of plans. All right, now looking here, they say prepaid's best value ever, 4 months or 4 lines for $12.50 per month. Now they have a video you can watch. I'm not going to do that now. But notice the asterisk, taxes and fees applied. But when we looked at UltraMobile.com, they said no hidden fees. So it looks like if you're interested in the UltraFlex plans, there are taxes and fees, but they don't explain what those are. All right, now with the UltraFlex plan, you get unlimited nationwide talk and global text, but the unlimited international talk is only to Flex 10 destinations. So that's Canada, China, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Israel, Mexico, Singapore, Thailand, and the United Kingdom. Now here they have a little mobile phone icon to indicate which countries you can call landlines and mobile phones. And then the other countries, I guess it's just landlines. All right, now moving down here, they have the UltraFlex family plan, 4 plus lines, $12.50 per month. So you're going to get the unlimited talk and global text, unlimited international talk to the Flex 10 destinations, and 250 megabytes of shareable data per line added. Now I got to click Learn More here so we can find out some more of the details. So now here they explain how the UltraFlex family works. You get 4 lines for $12.50 per month with 1 gig of shared data between all the lines. So that's $50 a month. And then if you're interested in 3 lines, it comes out to $15 a month. You get 750 megabytes of shared data for $45. 2 lines is $17.50 per month with 500 megabytes of shared data, $35 a month. 1 line for $22 per month with 250 megabytes of data for a total cost of $22 per month. Now moving down, they explain the Flex 10 destinations again. And then below that, it says Flex your data. Every line adds 250 megabytes of shareable data to your family's data plan each month. Unlimited data rolls over from month to month, never expiring until your family uses it. And you can add more data for just $5, and you can do that on demand. Now, flex your preferences. So it looks like the benefit of this feature is that you can set this up so that one person pays for all the lines, or each family member could pay for their own line, and no one risks losing service, I guess, when the other people don't pay. And any member can add to the family shareable 4G LTE data and international calling credits at any time. All right, now let's go back and check out the rest of the UltraFlex plans. So in addition to the family plans, they have UltraFlex for an individual. Now, in this case, if you pay for 4 months of service up front, you get your plan for $12.50 per month. And again, it's the same thing here, unlimited talk and global text, the international talk to Flex 10, and the 250 megabytes of 4G LTE rollover data. Now, let's click here to learn more and see what this is about. And again, it's very similar. Now, it's $12.50 per month if you pay for 4 months in advance, and that's $50 per refill. $15 for 3 months, which would be a total cost of $45, $17.50 for 2 months for a total cost of $35, and then $22 per month for 1 month for a total cost of $22. Taxes and fees apply. No explanation as to what those are. And then pretty much the same thing. The data will roll over each month, and you can add more data on demand for just $5. Now, in addition to the monthly plans and UltraFlex plans, they also have online exclusive multi-month plans. So this is something different yet again. Let's check this out. Ultra Online Exclusive Multi-Month Plan, the smart way to save even more. So if you buy up to 12 months of service in advance, you can save. Now they have 4 gigabytes of high-speed data. Now here they explain what high-speed data is, at least for these plans. That's 2 gigabytes of 4G LTE data and 2 gigabytes of 3G data. And then you have the unlimited talk and text to the US and 60 destinations, unlimited global text. Now, this comes with $2.50 of call anywhere credit, $10 of rollover roaming credit, and 1,000 minutes free for 10 plus more destinations. Now, you'll see here it's listed as low as $19 per month. Scrolling down here, if you sign up for 3 months, it's going to cost you $26.33 per month. 6 months, $21.50 per month, and 12 months, it's $19 per month. And scrolling down here, now they do a comparison against the competition. This table is not really that clear, and I didn't go through and verify these prices here. They say this is for new customers only. Prices are based off of 12-month plans featuring unlimited talk and text plus 1 gigabyte of 4G LTE data. Definitely not that clear here what they're comparing. All right, now down here, they give you a better understanding of what you'd actually be spending. So if you bought a 3-month refill, it would be $79, and that's $26.33 per month. 6 months, $21.50 per month for $129. 12 months, $19 a month for a total of $228. Now that's pretty good pricing, I think, if you're interested in buying in advance. Now, the disadvantage to buying in advance is it locks you into using the service. You can't switch to another carrier. You might want to try the service out, and then if you really like it, then you can decide whether or not you want to make a longer commitment. And I think for $228 a month, a plan with 2 gigabytes of 4G LTE data is pretty good. And then you have the additional 2 gigabytes of 3G data as well. Now, it doesn't say here that the data rolls over, so I wouldn't count on that data rolling over from month to month. All right, now let's go back to the shop menu and see what else we have here. Now, they also have add-ons, so let's check out the add-ons. Now, I find this pretty confusing. It's just this table with add-on choices. There's data, international credit, international roaming, and Globe Unlimited. So data is pretty clear. $5 for 500 megabytes, $10 for a gigabyte, and $20 for 2 gigabytes. That's pretty clear. I can understand what that is. Now, international credit, no explanation of what I'm buying in $5, $10, and $20 increments. International roaming. Again, what is international roaming? Does this mean I can use my phone when I'm traveling abroad? And what's the difference between what I get for $5, $10, and $20? And no explanation of what Globe Unlimited is. Now, to purchase one of these add-ons, you need to sign into your account, and you can do this online, by phone, or by SMS. Now, one of the things I notice here is that they don't mention whether or not they have apps for iPhone and for Android. So it looks like they don't, because you would think you'd put a link to the apps in the App Store if they had a My Account app or something like that, but I don't see it here. So now they have some details below here, data purchase details. The thing I wanted to point out is add-ons do not roll over, expire at the end of your current 30-day plan. Roaming purchase details. Roaming credits roll over month to month and do not expire as long as your account is active. And then international calling purchase details. International calling add-ons do not roll over and expire at the end of your current 30-day plan cycle. For multi-month plans, add-ons must be added each month and are not recurring. Now, this is a little confusing too here, because if we go back and we take a look at the Flex plans, I guess I left this out. I apologize. They have UltraFlex data, so you can add data on demand here. So again, it's the same prices, $5 for 500 megabytes, $10 for a gigabyte, $20 for 2 gigabytes. And this unused data rolls over from month to month until you need it. So with the UltraFlex, if you add data to the plan, it rolls over. But it looks like with the monthly plans, it doesn't. And $10 a gigabyte for data, that's about a standard price. It would be better if it was less. I wouldn't want to pay more than $10 per gigabyte of data. And it looks like if you buy 5 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes, they give you a little bit of a discount, give you a $5 discount on 5 gigabytes of data and a $20 discount on 10 gigabytes of data. If you need the extra data, maybe that works out because the data will roll over from month to month. All right, now where does that leave us? Well, there's a lot of information here. Some of it is kind of confusing, but is this a good deal? Well, maybe. I mean, it really depends on what you need. I think the international calling options are the thing that look the most interesting here. The ability to call the 60 plus different countries and the Call Me Free feature from 45 destinations. That is a really nice feature if you have family or friends back home in a different country and you want them to be able to call you for the price of a local call or whether that's free for them. Now, the thing that I'm not too crazy about here, what I'm seeing is that there's just a lot of unanswered questions here on the website and a lot of details seem to be missing. UltraMobile certainly has a lot of options. The $12.50 per month unlimited talk and text plans could be a real value for some people. They only give you 250 megabytes of 4G LTE data with those plans, but you can add data as you need it and all the data rolls over. So that might be a pretty interesting option if the T-Mobile network works well in your area. And for many people it does. And for many people, the T-Mobile network is a great choice. All right, now finally, one last thing I wanted to add. If you're interested in UltraMobile, I also suggest that you take a look at MintSim. Now, I did a video on MintSim before. So it turns out that UltraMobile owns MintSim, and MintSim focuses on the multi-month plans. So if you're interested in UltraMobile and the multi-month plans, definitely check out what MintSim has to offer because it might be a better deal for you. All right, guys, this has been a really long video, so I think I'm going to end it here. I know there was a lot of information. Hope you found it interesting, and I will talk to you in the next one.